Croeso I Corris. Welcome to Corris. Veronica Dwi'n dod o Australia ac mi desi I Cymru cynta yn 2004. I'm from Australia and I first came here in 2004. I moved here permanently in 2013 and was desperately needing a studio. In 2014, after not being able to find a studio, I bought Maelor stores. Even though Maelor was licensed to sell British and foreign wine, I decided to use it as my studio and as a place artists and writers could come and do residencies. In the 6 years Maelor has been running, I have had over 250 artists complete residencies. I am a printmaker and painter, and I am currently doing a PhD at Aberystwyth University in printmaking. My work visualises an endangered language, Gurnai, realised through the notion of country. I am using a minority language, Cymraeg, to displace the dominant language, English, with which both languages interact. Originally, about 20 years ago, Maelor was the village shop and a house for the shop owners. I am slowly converting the shop into a small print room where people will be able to come and work with me. Currently I am working on a series of prints based on a Welsh myth. I tend to work in all print media and often combine the different media together. This current print is a dry point and liner cut representing the second line in the myth. The myth I am using is Branwen, and the story tells of Matholwch sailing 13 boats from Ireland to Wales. Another project I am working on is a sound installation which will consist of speakers inserted into baskets. The baskets are made out of rejected prints. I started off with just cutting up mine, but as the project develops, printmakers are now giving me their prints. Using other people's prints make this project seem like a collaboration where everyone is telling their stories and I am adding to it.
A place for everything and everything in its place.
On the second floor I have another room which I have converted into a drawing and preparation room. These lithographic prints will be exhibited as part of my PhD and are a part of a Gurnai myth. Up the final lot of stairs is the attic studio, which is a space that inspired me to create the residency program. As Maelor is currently on hiatus for 2020, I have been using the space as a screen printing and exercise room. On the middle floor is Studio Quirk, which is normally used by visiting writers, but during lockdown I have been using it to write my thesis. These photos of me with my baskets in the forest above Corris was taken by New York photographer Nissa Ajova, who has completed several residencies at Maelor. I have now made over 800 baskets. These baskets and the prints will be exhibited in January at the School of Art in Aberystwyth.